Imagine stepping out with confidence, your skin feeling silky smooth, and knowing you've mastered one of the oldest beauty rituals in history. Welcome to the Ultimate Waxing Guide, your all-in-one resource for smooth, flawless skin. From Hollywood trends to expert at-home tips, we've got you covered. Stay tuned. Waxing isn't just a modern-day beauty hack, it's been around for centuries. Ancient Egyptians, including Cleopatra, used sugar and honey to achieve smooth skin. The practice spread through the Middle East and Europe, evolving into the sophisticated techniques we use today. Waxing has stood the test of time, proving that smooth skin has always been a beauty staple. Have you ever noticed that celebrities always seem to have perfect glowing skin? That's no accident. In Hollywood, waxing is a must-have for red carpet events, photo shoots, and everyday glam. From movie stars to social media influencers, smooth hair-free skin is a top beauty trend. And with celebrity beauty tips going viral, waxing is more popular than ever. Not all waxing techniques are the same. Here's a quick breakdown: hard wax versus soft wax. Which is better for sensitive skin? Strip wax versus sugaring. What works best for long-lasting results? Cold wax versus hot wax. Which option is right for you? Choosing the right wax and tools like warmers, spatulas, and soothing oils makes all the difference in getting that perfect smooth finish. Want to achieve salon-quality results at home? Follow these essential steps. First, prep your skin. Exfoliation prevents ingrown hairs. Next, heat the wax properly. Too hot can burn, too cold won't grip. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth and remove against it. Use a firm pull. Hesitating can cause more pain. Finally, follow up with soothing aftercare. Aloe vera and oils work wonders. Waxing does more than just remove hair, it's packed with benefits. Hair regrows finer and softer over time. It gently exfoliates, leaving your skin radiant. Results last much longer than shaving. But let's bust some myths. Waxing doesn't make hair grow back thicker, and it's not unbearably painful if done correctly. Now that you know the facts, you're ready to wax with confidence. Smooth skin, boosted confidence, and a timeless beauty ritual. Waxing has it all. Whether you choose professional treatments or DIY waxing at home, the key is knowledge and technique. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more beauty and health tips.